Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from today's title, today is going to be a day where I work on my small business. So I mentioned in my last vlog that I started a new small business, oak candle company, which as the name suggests, I make homemade candles, but I also make the actual vessels myself. Not all of them, some are in glass vessels, but some are in eco-resin vessels, which I make myself. I also make some home decor, and today I'm taking the time to solely focus on making some new candles, working on the fall drop that is coming out soon, and I also have to sand and seal some new candle vessels that I made yesterday. So I also see that I still have to label a few candles that I made the day before yesterday. So lots of things to do today. I thought it would be fun to film this. I've never done this before, but I love watching these types of videos. So yeah, I made myself an iced latte, and I'm just going to take you guys along throughout my day, and then maybe also tomorrow afternoon, depending on how much we can get done today. So this is the stuff that I worked on yesterday. So I made all of these vessels. These are the new candle vessels that I'm going to use. I love these so much, even though they hurt my thumb to take them out of the molds, as you can see. But I think they are so cute. I also made a purple one to make a lavender candle, and then also a beige one for a coffee themed candle for our fall collection. So I made these rose quartz trays. I made some more yesterday, but as you can see by the difference, this one still needs to be sanded. So that's the after, I guess, and this is the before. So these take a long time to sand and seal. And then for the vessels, I still need to like sand and seal the bottoms, or like sand the bottoms and then seal the whole vessel. These contain some seashells. So this is what it looks like after, and then this is what it looks like before sanding. These are extremely hard to sand, so not looking forward to that. And then I made these yesterday, which I think look so adorable. So again, still need to be sanded and sealed, but I think I'm going to make a candle in these, a pumpkin spice candle, and that will also be a part of our fall collection. Then I made these little trinket dishes, this one as well. Again, all still need to be sanded and sealed. This is stuff that I still need to take pictures of. This is a candle that I am currently testing out, a amethyst candle. These are a few fragrance oils that I want to test out. And then these are the candles that still need some labels. So I think I'm going to start by sanding all of these pieces, so that once they are dry I can seal them, and then hopefully tomorrow I can pour these actual vessels with candles. This is the state of my kitchen. So I have the sterilizer running with my baby's bottles, and then this is the mess that I made yesterday, but I thought I would wait to clean that until I make a mess again today. And then I washed these this morning. I do all of the sanding wet, so I'm going to use this area right here for that. Alright guys, it is about an hour later. I am sweating my ass off because it is really hot today, and that sanding part is very intense. So these are the pieces that are drying right now. These are the rose quartz trays. I love these so much. But yeah, now I'm going to take a quick break. I'm going to head over to my mom's to have some lunch. My son is there as well. It is Sunday today, and on Sundays my mom watches after him so that I can get some work done. So yeah, I'm going to head over there, have some lunch, come back, maybe take a quick nap because it was a short night, but we'll see, and then we'll resume more activities. Alright guys, I just got back home. I scrolled on my phone for a little bit but wasn't able to fall asleep and take a little nap, so we are just going to continue on with the videos. I didn't make a to-do list on my phone, that way it is easier to see what I still need to do. So I still need to seal pieces, label candles, pour lavender candle, pour coffee candle, test fall scents, take product pictures, design and order labels, pour travel tin candles, pour candles into new vessels. So what I'm going to do now is label the candles. So these are the candles that I made a couple of days ago, so now we are going to label them. And what I mean by labeling them is putting on the stickers, putting on the warning stickers, and then also the barcodes for in store. Right, so now I'm going to take these that are done and put them in the cabinet. So I recently got a new IKEA cabinet right here where I can put all of my inventory because this place was getting very crowded. And then whenever my store sells out, I just grab stuff from here and take it with me. By the way, I just checked these rose quartz pieces that I just sanded, and I decided I'm going to resend them because as you can see, there's a lot of pieces that are not peeking through yet, especially around the edges. So I am a very perfectionist and this is not perfect enough for me, so I will have to resend these. Because like here, as you can see, there's still a few pieces of rose quartz that are not exposed yet. Same here. And as you can see with this piece that I made a while back, all of the pieces, or almost all of them, are really showing. So yeah, by the way, I made these cards yesterday myself and I think they look really pretty. Alright, so I'm going to start on my first fall testing candle. I use coconut soy wax, and I'm going to start off with 420 grams, which should be enough for 2 glass containers. And then I'm going to add 10% of that in fragrance oil. I have my candle making cart right here, and so now I'm going to measure out my fragrance oil. And don't worry, I do reuse the plastic cups. So I'm going to be testing out the one that I think I'm going to use for sweater weather. Alright, so now my wax is melting. I use the Chandler and Me candle making tool because for now I still make pretty small batches, so it works perfectly fine for me. I have my measured out fragrance oil. So whilst my wax is melting, I'm going to start prepping the candle vessels. And then for sweater weather, I want to use these like leaf things. So I think I'm going to add some mica powder in these without actually mixing the powder into the candle wax. We'll see. It is still a testing phase. So we'll see what I end up with. So I'm still waiting on my wax to fully melt, and in the meantime I created these labels. I'm not sure what I think about them yet. I'm debating if I should change this to something else for the cat mom, maybe like an actual cat, like a silhouette of a cat, I don't know. And then these are the two fall labels, which I think I really like. I don't know. What do you guys think? I still have to measure out the wax, which is why this isn't filled in, but I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Alright, so my test candles are cooling right now. I made these two pumpkins in here because I changed my mind. I'm going to use one pumpkin and put it on top of the like pumpkin candle, and then add some, I forgot what kind of stones these are, but add some around the rim as well. But yeah, I'm going to wait until everything sets, and then tomorrow I will be able, or maybe tonight, I will be able to seal all of these. And then I also have these vessels that I made the other day. These are already sanded and sealed that I might pour tomorrow as well. We'll see.